Perseus, son of Zeus and Danae, stood before King Polydectes in the grand hall. The king's voice boomed across the room, his words sharp and commanding. "Perseus, you have come to claim your place in the world. But first, bring me the head of Medusa." Perseus was taken aback. "Medusa? The Gorgon who turns men to stone with a glance? Are you mad, my king?" Polydectes chuckled darkly. "You are brave, Perseus, but you will need help, and I know you will succeed. Bring me her head, or you will never know peace." Though filled with doubt, Perseus's pride flared. "Then I shall go, but I will return victorious. Mark my words." With a determined stride, he left the throne room, his mind swirling with thoughts of the dangerous task ahead. As Perseus made his way into the wilderness, the goddess Athena appeared before him, glowing with divine light. "Perseus, I have heard of your resolve. I will not let you face Medusa without aid." Athena extended her hand and a shield appeared, polished to a mirror's perfection. "Use this shield. With it, you can see her without meeting her gaze." Perseus, grateful but still uncertain, took the shield. "Thank you, goddess, but how will I find her?" Hermes, the swift messenger of the gods, appeared beside Athena. "I will help. You must visit the Grey Sisters. They share one eye and one tooth between them. Steal them if you must. They know where Medusa lies." "I will do as you say," Perseus vowed, his resolve strengthening. "I will not fail." Guided by the gods, Perseus soon found the Grey Sisters, 3 ancient women hunched over, passing their shared eye and tooth between them. He stepped forward with purpose. "Tell me where Medusa lies, or I will take your eye." The Grey Sisters laughed wickedly. "You are bold, young hero, but what will you do once you have our eye?" Without hesitation, Perseus snatched their eye, holding it out of their reach. "I will let you live, but only if you tell me where to find her." The sisters gasped in fear. "North, in the land where the sun never rises, beyond the cliffs where no man dares to go." Perseus nodded, grateful for their help. "Thank you." Without another word, he hurried off toward the perilous land they described. As Perseus reached Medusa's lair, he found himself standing in a desolate, dark place. The earth seemed to pulse with malice. Then he saw her. Medusa, her body a horrific mass of snakes instead of hair, her gaze deadly. "Another fool who dares approach," she hissed. "You should have stayed away, boy." Perseus held up his shield, its surface reflecting the monstrous creature. "I will not look at you, Medusa. I only need your head." With a screech, Medusa lunged at him, but Perseus used the shield to deflect her deadly gaze. Carefully, step by step, he approached, his heart steady. "I may be mortal, but I have the gods on my side." With a swift motion, Perseus drew his sword and severed Medusa's head. Her body began to turn to stone, and Perseus quickly placed the head in a sack, knowing it would be dangerous to leave her gaze unchecked. When Perseus returned to Polydectes' court, he held Medusa's head high, the horrifying image frozen in time. "Behold, the head of Medusa, as you asked," Perseus declared triumphantly. Polydectes' face drained of color. "What? What is this madness? What have you done?" Perseus smiled grimly. "You asked for the head, Polydectes. Now it is time for you to face your own gaze." He revealed Medusa's head, and the king, terrified, immediately turned to stone, just like all the men Medusa had once cursed. Athena appeared one final time, smiling proudly at Perseus. "You have done well, Perseus. Not only have you completed your task, but you have proven yourself worthy of the gods' favor." Perseus bowed low. "It was not only the gods who helped me, but my own will and courage." Athena's smile deepened. "Indeed, you have earned your place among the heroes." Perseus looked up at the stars, his heart swelling with pride. His future was bright, and his legacy was sealed. He had fulfilled the prophecy, defeated a monster, and proven himself worthy of the gods. The end. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be there when the next journey begins.